Welcome, friends and traders. Let's go through this quick demonstration of axis aligned circles. You drop this tool, you have two hotspots here. Always start with some pivotal point like Sunday open, Sunday high low. You have to come with some structure, or you can also use the weekend endpoints and daily endpoints, which is like midnight hour on New York time frame. So what are we going to do here is, as the name suggests, this axis is revealed to you. And what are we going to do is curve fit the data on this axis. And we're gonna see if this circle is behaving the way we are expecting it to behave. And the only way we know that if I align this axis to the high to high, I see some reactions coming from this. This is 10-minute chart of ES, my friends. I'm getting some reactions on these, as you can see. Alright, let's proceed further and see what we can do for the entire week. Remember, these tools, they exist where you don't have to worry about the quality of algorithms, but we do need to figure out how to use it properly. So I'm gonna give you some cases where you can curve fit the axis. Support becomes a resistance. We like those breaks, and we also like the retests. So if I'm saying start from here, it breaks, retests, breaks, and retests. So that means I have aligned, axis alignment has taken place. I found the trend line of interest. What is the next stage? Well, next stage is pretty simple. I am going to curve fit one of the circles. Axis is defined. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just keep stretching this in the same axis. Same axis. So what happens here? I think we already got this point earlier, right? Alright, keep going. Same axis. You have to make sure the axis is defined. Okay, so if I'm doing this, I'm now curve fitting in the same axis. I'm curve fitting this bottom. So what is going on here is, by doing what we are showing, we have exposed a little better forward. We are exposing ourselves to the idea of these circular endpoints. When market comes to these areas, it's gonna react. When it comes and touches this, it's gonna react. Right? Whatever direction it is going, it's gonna bounce up. So there we go, my friends. Axis aligned circles. Now, is that the only axis there is? Not really. Well, how about this guy on the tops? Now, what are we doing in this one? Well, very simply, we are saying I'm curve fitting this tops and curve fitting this low of the structure. Market is coming into this, is going up, comes down, is going up and down. Here it is coming down into it, bounces up. Here it is going up and up into it, it bounces down. You got the structure, right? Alright, keep going. This is great one because you see we put the structure in place. We see the market is reacting to this circle, and it reacted to this circle and the axis at the same time. It reacted from here, Alright, and then look at this. It was going up, It was going down, first of all. It went up. It was going up, went down. It was going down, it went up. You got the idea. It was going down, it went up. So you got the structure. It starts from here itself, where we see, based on this analysis, we are curve fitting the data. First reaction, we got it from here itself. Okay, second one was from here. Now this is missing this one on the top, which we can get to also, no problem. Alright, so that is one approach. Other approach is we fit on the axis. Once we find the axis we want to trade, we fix two things at the same time. So this axis is fixed, double tops, the bottom and top is fixed. Now this is more of same scenario we've been talking about. Market is going up, it came down, right? From different centers. From different centers is behaving the same way. Something's hitting here, something's hitting here, but same thing is happening. So we got some beautiful uptakes. Down from here, came into it, down from here. The circles are powerful if you know the right measurements, and this is 10 minutes chart. Remember, we're looking at some decent pivots. So if you do it properly, you should be able to hit all. This is more of a timing with the time and price fits together because they're curving. Should have been a sphere, but the software doesn't allow us to build spheres. We are content with circles. Thank you.